Hey guys, it's Sarah Bhattarai from Weber County 4-H, and today we are going to encrypt messages using a Cypher Wheel. Encryption means scrambling data so that only certain people can understand the information. It's basically writing a secret code. Now, different forms of encryption have been used all throughout history. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, they all used some form of encryption. Now, famously during World War II, the United States military used the Navajo language to encrypt their messages. We use encryption every day to keep our information safe when using it online, such as passwords and bank card numbers. Computers are able to use complicated and secure mathematical methods of encryption. Now, you may have seen this number substitution method of writing secret messages, where each letter of the alphabet corresponds with numbers 1 through 26. This method only has one possible encryption, unless you were to manually scramble the letters and numbers. We can use a Cypher Wheel to create 26 different possible encryptions. So let's make our Cypher Wheel. Now, I'm using a printable Cypher Wheel from inspirationlaboratories.com. You can pick up a copy of this at your local Weber County Library branch during the month of January. You will also need paper to write your secret message on, scissors, a marker, a pen, and a paper brad. So first we need to cut out our Cypher Wheel. If you're going to make your own, you need to make a larger circle and a smaller circle, split them both into 26 equal pie pieces, and then write the alphabet A through Z on one and the numbers 1 through 26 on the other. So the next step is to take a pen and poke a hole in both of the middle of your circles. Now we're going to take our brad and attach the two circles. Lay your smaller circle on top of your bigger circle. Use a paper brad to attach them together. If you write a secret message to your friend who also has a Cypher Wheel, how are they going to know how to line this up? The answer is you have to create a key. Choose a letter, choose a number, and line them up. I'm going to choose H and 4 for 4H. Make sure you write your key down so that you don't forget it. Next, write your message. Now it's time to encrypt our message. Make sure that your key is lined up properly, and now encrypt your message. S is 15, C is 25, and so on. It's a good idea to use dashes between letters and a slash between words. Make sure you somehow include the key in your note. Here is my encrypted message. Now I'm going to send it to my friend. What is this? And now using the Cypher Wheel, your friend can decrypt your message. Hey, don't forget to find us over at our Facebook group, Weber County 4-H STEM, where we post other videos and activities that you can do at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.